Hey Fragrance fam! If you didn't know, AFI has become a one-stop shop for candle making ingredients. Our collection of expertly blended waxes and specialized fragrance oils are just what you need to start or grow a candle business. Let's take a look at our AFI Premium 7700 Soy Pear Wax Blend and make a candle with it using one of our favorite candle scents for spring, Blue Honeyberry. The 7700 blend comes in slabs starting at quantities of 15 pounds all the way up to 36 cases, which ships for free. With an 80% soy and 20% paraffin composition, you can enjoy the smooth, natural characteristics of a soy wax with the added fragrance capacity and color payoff of a paraffin wax. That means smooth candle surfaces and a strong throw. It's ideal for both container candles and wax melts, but may feel a little soft for pillar candles due to its high soy content. Of course, we encourage you to experiment with it, so the possibilities are only limited by your own imagination. The 7700 blend has a melting point of 122 degrees Fahrenheit, making for quick and easy candle creation. With a fragrance load of 10%, you can ensure even the lightest scents make an impact before and during each burn. That being said, you really don't need all that much fragrance for the strongest scent in a candle when you use the one that's blended perfectly. Our Blue Honeyberry fragrance is fruity, floral, and comforting with just a hint of vanilla. I find a 6% usage rate is plenty strong, but the great thing about this wax is that there's plenty of leeway to use more or less fragrance to your liking. As with all of our waxes, we recommend heating the wax until it melts and reaches a temperature of about 185 degrees before allowing it to cool. Add your fragrance oil at 175 degrees, stirring well so it blends thoroughly into the wax. The better it's mixed, the more consistent the hot throw will be. Pour between 160 and 175 degrees and allow candles to cool and cure in a warm room. All the label appeal of soy plus the strength of paraffin wax gives our Premium 7700 blend the best of both worlds. If you love the natural qualities of soy, but you want a higher fragrance load or a more vibrant candle color, consider trying this one out. You can find it alongside our other waxes and bases on the AFI web store linked down below. Stay tuned for more spotlights on our waxes and bases so you can make AFI your one-stop shop for home fragrance-based businesses. As always, my name is Maddie and I'll catch you guys in the next video real soon. Thanks for watching, Fragrance fam!